Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to dive in the exciting world of online presence and discuss the top 10 benefits of having a strong online presence. Whether you are a small business owner, a content creator, or just someone looking to make their mark on the internet, this video is for you. So grab your favorite beverage and let's jump right in. One of the biggest advantages of establishing an online presence is the ability to reach a wider audience by leveraging online platforms. You can connect with people all around the world, spreading your messages or promoting your business to potential customers or fans. This internet opens up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing you to expand your reach like never before. Having an online presence gives you the opportunity to shape your brand identity and showcase what makes you unique. Through your websites, social media accounts, and other online platforms, you can establish a consistent or recognizable brand image. This helps you stand out in the crowded market, build trust with your audience, and differentiate yourself from competitor audience with an online presence. You can actively engage with your audience, whether it's through comments, direct messages, or live interactions. This direct line of communication allow you to build relationships, gather feedbacks, and better understand the needs and preferences of your customers or followers. By engaging with your audience, you can create a loyal community that supports and advocates for your brand. Traditional marketing methods can be expensive and may not always yield the desired result. On the other hand, online marketing offers a cost-effective way to promote your brand or businesses. Through social media advertising, content marketing, email campaign, and search engine optimization, you can reach your target audience without breaking the bank. Online marketing allows you to track and analyze your efforts, ensuring that you get the best return on your investment. Having a strong online presence can directly impact your sales and revenue. It provides you with a platform to showcase your products or services, offer convenient online purchasing options, and reach customers at any time of the day or night. With the right marketing strategies in place, you can attract more customers, drive sale, and ultimately boost your bottom line. The online world is the treasure trove of data and analytics that can help you make informed business decisions. Through web analytics, social media insight, and other online tools, you can gain valuable insight in your audience behavior, preferences, and demographics. This data allows you to fine tune your marketing strategies, optimize your website, and tailoring your product or services to better meet the need of your target audience. The internet has made it easier than ever to connect with like minded individuals and professionals in your industry. By building an online presence, you open the doors to networking opportunities and collaborates. Having an online presence gives you the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere, at any time, whether you are a digital nomad, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur. The ability to conduct business or create content remotely is a game changer. You can create your own schedule, travel the world, and still maintain a thriving online presence. The internet truly offers endless opportunity for those who embrace it. Establishing an online presence allows for continuous personal growth and learning. It pushes you to out of your comfort zone, encourages you to hone your skills and challenges you to adapt to the ever evolving online landscapes. Whether it's through creating content, engaging with your audience, or staying updated with industry trends, the online world offers endless opportunity for personal and professional growth and development. Last but certainly not least, having an online presence opens the doors to exciting opportunity and the potential to influence others, whether it's through sponsorship deals, brand collaborations, speaking engagements, or simply inspiring or empowering your audience. The online world is full of possibilities. By harnessing the power of your online presence, you can make a positive impact and shape the world around you.